Alright guys, I'm just on the river aire at the moment. Gonna try this bit of river for a bit of fly fishing. I know river aire isn't for fly fishing, but hey, I've seen it's shallow, bit fast flowing today. It's all been cut back, but hey, I can give it a go. I'll let you know if I catch out. Right, that's me. I had a bit of fishing time. I thought my camera was rolling when I was stood over there. I've had a little brownie out, but other than that, naffle. But having a look at it downstream a bit, there was seeing a few barbel feeding at the bottom because it's that shallow. But other than that, I just need to start finding other places to fly fish at the moment. If anyone or whoever's watching know where decent to fly fish around leads, lakes, rivers, anything before the end of the season, put a comment below. I'm just having a walk back to the car now. We're going to have a stop at the salmon run, let you all see that. But hey, that's the sport. Some days you catch, some days you don't. But I'll let you have a watch through, and we'll go and have a look at the salmon run. There's the salmon run, got your overflow in there. Before I started filming everything, had a few rainbows out of here, a couple of pounds. But hey, since we've had that storm, the river's still high, as you can see. But I'll be back down next week with a bit of barbel fishing as well. If you want to see any more fishing happening, just let us know where. Remember, subscribe, leave your comments below. But right, that's me going to switch off. I'm going to go down and have a look at another swim, see what that's like since we've had the floods. If it's been cut back, if it has, that'll be where I'll be fishing next week or tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm at another swim at the moment. Well, if you want to call it a swim, at another salmon run just here. I'm about a mile downstream. I've just drove down on the way home. You can see, nice and shallow. Just further up on the tree hanging over. A few barbel up there, what I've seen the other week. So I think I'll be coming back down and doing the swim up there soon. As I say, I've never seen any salmon come up here, but people have said they have. But now I know where this is. I'll just keep coming back, having a look. What you on about leaves here? Water's absolutely disgusting. Trolley in the water there. So this is another nice little swim. Right, that's me going to cut this video. I know the first one and this one's only going to be a bit short, but As I say, I'm learning all this. You've got this little beck there for when it overflows, and I've seen that full. I don't want anyone giving me hate comments as I'm just starting. But hey, everyone starts somewhere, and this is me just starting filming. So remember, subscribe. More videos on their way. On the weekend I'll take you to the tackle shop I use. Everyone in there is ace. Need any help, they're the ones to use. But I ain't saying any names yet. Just keep an eye out for videos. Everywhere I walk, it's always a nice little forest. But that's the sport, innit? Walk to find the water. Right, that's me off guys now. Remember, subscribe, more videos on the way, and no haters. Cheers, keep the lines tight, see you later.